There's nothing like going to a different country and exploring their cuisine. Like I said, you can learn so much about people and their culture through their cuisine. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Free Spirit is. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. Because I'm doing fabulous. How is your day? I hope it's going well. I am back again with another mukbang for you guys. Look at this mukbang, y'all. So, your girl took a cooking vacation, right? Cook vacation since Friday. I decided, you know what? I need a break from cooking. Like, yes, you can get exhausted from cooking, y'all. And you need a vacation, like a little break from cooking and tasting your own food and eating your own thing. So since Friday, y'all, I've been on hiatus. So today I went to the Vietnamese market, y'all, and I got me a few items, which are mostly appetizers. I got some egg rolls, Vietnamese egg rolls. I have some fried fish here that's fried hard. I have some rib tips that is braised. Oh my God. Some tofu, plain tofu with dipping sauce, which couldn't fit on the tray. This is some papaya salad, y'all, with beef jerky with sesame on top and a sauce to go with it and some vegetables. So basically it's just a variety of like appetizers and, you know, drinking food. And I just wanted to take a break today, y'all, and just enjoy a little something, something. So this is what I'm having. And of course, I got my chopsticks. Y'all know I always like to practice with my chopsticks. So let me see if I can get this tray all in there so y'all can really see the food. Alrighty then. So without any more talk, y'all know what to do. Pause this video. Go grab yourself a snack. Grab yourself something to eat. Come back. Let me give you guys a quick pan and we'll do grace and then we'll eat. So let's get it, y'all. All right, grace time. Lord bless this food and bless the hands that made it. May it nourish me. Amen. Short and sweet. Let's eat, y'all. All right, y'all. I don't know where I'm going to start. I think I'm going to start with some water. I still haven't fixed the problem. So welcome, guys. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm so glad to see you. Welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome to Free Spiritist Tribe. And what we do here is enjoy ourselves, basically eating from one country to the next, different recipes, different food, just fun and a free spirited free space. So welcome. So I had my sip of water, did my grace. I'm about to dig in. I think I'm gonna go with the egg rolls because I've been waiting for the egg rolls. It's been a while since I've had the egg rolls. These egg rolls can be addictive, y'all. Here goes the egg roll, y'all. It's so crispy and crunchy. And I got the duck sauce. So here we go. Egg roll. Ooh. Y'all, these egg rolls. I got these egg rolls from a Lee's sandwich shop right here in Houston. Loaded with pork. Pork, meat, and noodles. These are Vietnamese egg rolls. They're my favorite egg rolls, y'all. And with the duck sauce. I washed my hands, y'all. So I'm gonna be picking up food, forking food. This is like some kind of chop suey, y'all. Carrot, cabbage, bok choy lettuce, bok choy, cabbage, onion. I love the way this is. And they even have some shrimp, some more baby shrimp. All right. Take a bite, y'all. Mm-hmm. Mm. And this is a little sweet, spicy number. So I'm going to dip the tofu in. Let's see if I can put it somewhere on this tray. Stack up this fish a little bit. Mm. Oops. Okay. So this is a tapioca salad, y'all, which I'm kind of very excited about. And it has like, I'm sorry, I said tapioca. Papaya salad. And it has like beef jerky with sesame seeds. And I think this is like either basil or, yeah, I think it's basil. Is it basil? Yeah, basil and papaya. And then there's a salad dressing that goes with it, which it looks like a vinaigrette of some sort. Like an Asian vinaigrette or ginger. It's spicy, y'all. Oh my gosh. Let me mix it together. Wow. Oh my God, it's so nice. So this goes over everything. And that's how I eat mine, y'all. This, when you mix it together, y'all know I like to mix salad. I'm gonna move the vegetables up and the salad back. So I can at least reach it. Oh my God, it looks so good. It kind of looks like, do you know what it looks like? It looks like spaghetti squash after you've scraped it from the squash and you're gonna use it for your spaghetti. That's what it looks like. It's all stringy. See, look at that. Look at that. Wow. That is so refreshing, y'all. It's like sweet spicy because of the papaya. And then it's sweet because of the papaya. And it's spicy because of the dressing and the beef jerky. And then the basil adds a little zesty kind of interesting flavor combination to the whole thing. And it's a cold dish too. You know, because it's a salad. But it's so good. It's so good. And this is why I like trying different cuisine, because you get to enjoy a different pop of flavor. Like, you wouldn't think papaya, beef jerky, and basil would work well like this with like a sesame ginger type of vinaigrette that's spicy. I mean, oh my God. It's so crunchy and full of flavor and just refreshing. It's refreshing, it's cool, but it's also spicy and zesty, and it's delicious. It's delicious, y'all. I'm gonna look up the recipe on how to make this salad. And I'm gonna try and get a video. So comment down below if you'd like to see me try to recreate this type of salad, because that is so good, y'all. So I'm gonna go for some tofu. Y'all know I love tofu. Ooh, no. I'm gonna put it in the sweet and sour. I'm gonna put it in this one. This dipping sauce right here. Mmm. Mm-hmm. That's good. Some of the short ribs, or the rib tips, rather. Mmm. 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 It's cartilage bone, so it's like soft. You can chew the whole thing. Mmm. That is so good. I love the flavor. The plain tofu. I just love tofu. It has like a plain bean-based flavor that can absorb other flavors. And you have that bean-like base, and then you can add whatever flavor you want to it. That's basically what tofu is. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. What I love about Asian cuisine is how everything can stand on its own and has its own unique flavor. Here goes some fish, y'all. It's just like clean fried fish. It's so good. I believe it's catfish. It's seasoned very well. But anyway, like I was saying, all the food has like different flavors that can stand on their own, the way they cook it, the way they prepare it. But when you start to combine them, that's when it starts to make sense. Like the tofu, the tofu, and the rib tips is just perfect. And this fried catfish is fried so hard and so, oh my god, the flavor. It's like, oh my god. There's the whole fish. So good. I'm not completely sure if it is a catfish, but oh my god, I love this fish. I just like, it has a lot of skin on it. And it just, the flesh kind of just reminds me of catfish. This market that I go to, a lot of the workers don't speak very good English, so it's hard for you to get information about exactly, you know, clearly what the type of fish is. Or I can tell you fish, but specific, sometimes they don't so much. So most times you're like guessing. And I've eaten fried catfish so many times. But I've also had other fishes like croaker, red snapper, sheephead. This just tastes so good, y'all. And the bone on this fish, though, look at that. It's like, almost like animal, you know, like a mammal bone. There's so much jelly going on here too. Look at that fat in that fish. Look at that. Look at that glistening. Fish fat is good for y'all. That's the one fat you can't eat and not have any issues with. Another egg roll, y'all. Take y'all a bite, because I'm going to eat it all. What egg roll. I love their egg rolls. I love their egg rolls. It's so full of meat. I prefer their egg rolls to the Chinese ones. Not trying to be, not the Chinese egg rolls. Those are nice too. But I feel like they have way more like cabbage and carrots and no other filling. I remember egg rolls used to have shrimp and eggs in them. Now the Chinese egg rolls don't have anything but vegetable in them. Sometimes some egg. But Vietnamese egg rolls, oh, they're fully loaded. And they're really good. See? Yeah. A little bit of everything. And now it's so good, y'all. A little bit of everything and I'm getting full, y'all. Eating with your eyes, bad. I just love the way everything works together. Like I said, they each have their own flavor. Each thing that makes them distinctly delicious. Wow. They work beautifully together as well. And you can mix things. My favorite egg roll, followed by the tofu. Excuse me, y'all. And then the rib tips. Followed by the fish. I love the salad. It's very refreshing. These vegetables. Al dente, not overcooked. It all just works. It just works. And it's a fun way to eat, y'all. I swear. I always enjoy have fun when I eat like this. Because there's no pressure. You just eat as much as you want. And then when you're fully satisfied, you just say bye. Getting better, huh? So I'm over here grubbing. What are y'all grubbing on this evening? What are you guys eating? Please comment down below what you're eating. And what's your favorite Asian cuisine? Or type of Asian cuisine, I guess, like Chinese, Vietnamese, Thai food, Korean, Japanese. Comment down below. What kind of Asian cuisine you prefer? I love Chinese, especially Szechuan style. It's one of my favorites. I love Vietnamese. They have a lot of variety too, just as good. They don't cook as spicy, but they still have spice. Thai food is spicy just like Chinese. I also like Thai food. They have soups just like Vietnamese has pho. I love pho. That's one of my favorite, along with the egg rolls. Oh my God. And then you wrap it in the lettuce with the carrot strips, and then you dip it. Oh my God, y'all. Best stuff on earth. I love pho. So, yeah. Remember, when I went to Malaysia, y'all, I had the best cuisine. Oh my God. Because in Malaysia, they have 3 different cultures that are fused together. So, the food culture in Malaysia, oh my God. You have Indian, you got the Malay people, and then you have China. Chinese, Indian, and Malay. That's what makes up Malaysia. Oh my God. The food, y'all. The food is off the chain. You've never tasted anything like it, I promise you. And guys, if you've never traveled, make it a point to travel. Because if you're a foodie, travel improves upon it. There's nothing like going to a different country and exploring their cuisine. Like I said, you can learn so much about people and their culture through their cuisine. And in turn, connect with people on a whole nother level. Food is the connector of people, y'all. So, if you know you want to connect, travel out. I challenge you to travel out. Even if you leave from your state and go to the next one. Because even in the United States, there's a variety of cuisines. So, you can start from here. But man, travel and food, 2 of the best things that happen to man in this world. I'm telling you. It's true. We are proof. We're proof. Food and travel. Think about it. Food and travel are the 2 best things that happen to man. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie. I've had so much fun hanging out with y'all and enjoying this cooking vacation meal with y'all. But I am getting full. I mean, I've been eating ever since I got here. I wasn't even supposed to talk a little bit more, but I'm so full, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. Look at this. This is the rib tips, some braised. Look at that, the sauce and stuff. It's so good, y'all. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. I'm sorry I didn't talk too much today, y'all. Don't mind me. Hunger mode. Or maybe I did talk too much. I don't know. Once I get going, I get going. Y'all know how I am. Sometimes I do talk too much. Anywho, y'all let me know how you feel about this video. By doing what? Hitting the like button. And like I said, returning subscribers, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming and enjoying this meal with me. I hope you guys enjoyed yourself because I had fun. Y'all clearly saw me having fun. I was like totally having fun because, you know, putting food in my mouth, it was amazing. So, I hope you guys enjoyed it because it's all for y'all. And me too. No. Yeah, of course, for me too. Ooh, that was nice. So, hey, new Free Spiriters Tribers. What's up? Y'all have been stopping by here every now and then. And I am very appreciative of you doing so because you didn't have to, but you did. So thank you. And since you're here and you've been stopping by, you know who I'm talking about. I'm talking about you. You have been stopping by. You know you have. And I know you're still thinking about it, but why waste any more time thinking about it? Just go on ahead and hit the red subscribe button. Because it's time. It's not going to take that much. You just go ding and it's done. You're subscribed and we're together in our tribe full of free spiritists. I mean, what else more can you ask for? People who you can connect with, different recipe ideas, you know, people you can send out to go eat. Because I'm always up for a meal. So subscribe today. And after you do that, go ahead and hit that bell notification. You know, the post notification, which what happens is when you hit the bell, I make videos and then you get notified. And when we make videos, and yes, there is a we, you also get notified. So make sure you hit all when you hit the notification. And with that being said, that's all it takes to become a tribe member. So I hope you enjoyed, because I enjoyed having you. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your week. I hope that all that you hope for will come this week. And we get through it and make it to the weekend. So, until the next video, I'm going to see y'all later. Bye, y'all.